Shanti says, in that case, can we talk about arrogance? There is seeing of much arrogance and ugliness in this personality. What is the ultimate arrogance? What is the arrogance at the root of all other arrogance? The ultimate arrogance is the belief that I can be separate from God. The ultimate arrogance must be that there is a person here who is not part of God. Which means that we say God is everywhere, but me as a person, I have the power to lead a separate life. It doesn't seem like an arrogant thought, but in effect it is the most arrogant. All other arrogance flows from this root thought of separation. Because if the separation itself is not there, then all is seen as one, then how can there be any arrogance? So easiest way is to see that the arrogant one never existed anyway. It was a character in the book which seemed to have been given the characteristic of arrogance. The character in the book never came out of the book. His life is completely dependent on the author. But the author is free to write that the character became arrogant. Did the character even create his own arrogance? Does he have the power to create anything at all? Is all of this not just happening in God's own imagination? When we say that all of this is just a projection of consciousness itself, does it not mean that it is a dream that God is having? And if this is God's dream and you exist, then what must you be? Must you be a character in the dream? Or must you be that in which this dream is born? Like in this way, if you continue to observe and just be the witness, you will find that without giving it an attribute like I became arrogant, if you were just able to say that arrogance appeared and then it went away, then that is absolutely fine. Because actually there is no one here to control what appearances are appearing. But you do seem to have the power to believe or not. So if you believe that I became arrogant, then that is what causes suffering. If it is just seen that there was an appearance of arrogance, like you say, it's just an appearance of arrogance, then it just will come and will go. The minute you say I became arrogant, that becomes the root of suffering.